Hurt so bad. Why do I feel so sad? I thought I was over you, but I keep crying when I don't love you. So why does it hurt so bad? I tried to let you go.